Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis, and I'd like to ask you a very simple question. If every salesperson in your dealership sold just 2 more vehicles per month, what would that mean to your bottom line? And add to that an increase of an additional $400 profit per unit. Well, for most dealerships, that translates into hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not even millions of dollars in additional annual revenue. The challenge is that most salespeople aren't failing because they don't work hard. They're failing because they've never been taught a consistent, proven process that works with today's customer. Most have been taught a process designed to sell 10 to 12 cars per month at best, utilizing a sales process that was developed over 50 years ago for customers that no longer exist. Today's customers are better informed, shop differently, communicate differently, and buy differently. Yet most dealerships are still teaching yesterday's techniques and processes. They miss opportunities during the meet and greet. They negotiate too early. They don't create enough value. They struggle with objections. They fail miserably with inbound phone calls. Their follow-up is inconsistent, and they simply just don't ask for the sale properly. The good news is that every one of these skills can be taught. That's exactly what we've been doing at David Lewis & Associates for nearly 4 decades. Our 2-day in-dealership sales training event is designed to produce immediate improvements in sales, gross profit, and a better customer experience. We don't ask your team to travel to a hotel or convention center, or even worse, watch videos. We come directly to your dealership. Working with your managers and salespeople in their own environment allows us to teach real-world techniques they can begin using with customers the very same day. During the program, we cover every critical area of the sales process, including a sales process that focuses on 3 main goals: finding a car the customer loves, getting the customer to like the salesperson, and then creating an environment in which the customer will want to do business at your dealership. From there, we teach the skills that make the biggest difference in dealership performance: how to create value before discussing price, how to overcome objections without sounding scripted, how to negotiate while still holding gross, the art of converting phone and internet opportunities into showroom traffic, how to prospect consistently, and we will even spend time on leadership coaching for your managers to ensure the training continues long after we've left. This isn't just a theory. This is practical, dealership-tested training that helps your team sell more vehicles while creating a better customer experience. And because we believe in the effectiveness of our training and the results we get, we back it with our 2-car guarantee that includes our 100% money-back guarantee. That means your investment is protected. If we don't deliver the results we've promised, we'll refund your training investment. I'm not aware of any other training company that is willing to stand behind their training like that. If you're already investing thousands of dollars every month generating traffic, doesn't it make sense to invest in helping your salespeople convert more of that traffic into sold vehicles? If you're ready to increase sales, improve your grosses, and build a stronger sales culture, well, we'd love the opportunity to work with you and your dealership. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we can work with your team soon to help you in continuing to build a great sales culture at your dealership.